There is a principle in Islam that beautifully addresses our differences.
O mankind, we created you from a single pair of a male and a female, and made you into nations and tribes that you might get to know one another. Surely the noblest of you in the sight of Allah is He who is the most righteous. Allah is all knowledgeable, all aware.
This verse reminds us that our diversity is by divine design. We are all from the same parents, created from a single male and female. Yet, as humans, we often fight for land and power, believing ourselves to be superior to other tribes or nations. We create divisions among races, despising others as backward or inferior, exploiting them in the process. But in truth, the differences of nations and tribes have nothing to do with our relationship with Allah. That relationship depends solely on how we act, how much we adhere to His commands, respect His prohibitions, and honor the limitations He has set for us. Islam teaches us that true nobility in the sight of Allah lies not in our race, nationality, or power, but in our righteousness and character. This principle of unity through diversity is a call to rise above our prejudices, embrace our differences, and find strength in our shared humanity.